On many of our projects, our customers are interested in preserving the integrity of their old wood. Our first step is to remove the old coating. We are interested in removing the paint and doing as little damage to the existing wood as possible. After the paint is removed, we sand to a sound substrate. On this project, we use the System 3 wood epoxy system. The first step is a two-part component liquid epoxy bonder which hardens soft wood. Once the liquid epoxy dries, we tool a two-part moldable wood emulator into the open, damaged areas. Once the emulator dries, we sand to original contours. System 3 can then be primed and painted like wood. We were not able to restore the window casings as we did with the window sills. We had new window casing material custom milled to match the original. As we cut and installed the new casing material, we also added a metal drip edge for proper water runoff.